Hello guys and welcome back to the video. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create sub collections in Shopify in 2025. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get started. Your first step would be to head over to the products menu on Shopify. So click on products here and then go ahead and click on collections. As you can see on the products tab, I actually have some products I have created already. Now go ahead and click on collections here. Click on collections and then go ahead and add or create a new collection. So you can do this by clicking on add collection at the top right. So click on add collection and then where we have title, go ahead and give it a title. So you could just call it something like this. You can have a title like this and then include a description that is good. And then all you need to do is select the collection type. It could be manual, where you have to add the products one by one, or it could be smart by using your existing collections. So let's just go ahead and click on manual and then click on browse here. And then go ahead and add the products you want to add and click on add again. Now, once you're done with this and it's good, just click on save. But do not forget, you could come back and include more products as your product list uh, improves or gets. Don't forget, you can come back and add more products when you actually have more products in your products list. Now, your next step would be to actually create. Now, your next step would be to set up your navigation for easier access. You could do this by heading over to the content menu. Here, it's in between discounts and markets. And then on the content menu, go ahead and click on menus. Click on menus here and then click on create menu. So go ahead and click on create menu and then go ahead and give it a name. So you could just call it and then add the menu items by adding a name or a label and a link. So what is the label? You could have something like product one, and then you could link it to any available page like your home page. So you could just have something instead of product one. Let's just do free products. And then for the second menu, you could now give it something like men's clothing. As you remember, my products were around male clothing. So you could just call it male clothings. And now the next step would be to link it to your collections and then select the collections you want, which is the one with under 40. And then all you need to do now to link this is to simply select this, drag and hold. I would have it as a subsection. As you can see here, we have created a subsection. And once you're okay with this, click on save at the top or at the bottom, and that menu has been created. So now anytime anyone goes through your website, they would find it looking like this with your product catalog available for use. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.